can't even fucking reverse with the camera roll. Like, yo.
When you take it to the bank, it's the safest way.
I literally told him that we should go. If you want to.
Might be the guy that wants to.
Yeah. Dude, you feel like a strip.
That's 1,000 horsepower right there.
How much horsepower you think it is?
Like 1,000.
About 1,000?
Yeah. I'm gonna say 832.
About how much?
832.
832. It's about 850.
That was close. Yeah.
About 850.
This you?
Yeah.
Oh. The last one.
Looks like my people starting to show up. Maybe we can get some.
No more pause. There we go. We got us a little cat.
Yeah, you did it, brother.
All right.
I'm gonna roll all over Ruju here.
BMW's out here.
F80. F80.
That's small road, bro. You bought the.
I don't have
That's supposed.
How much do you think it's making?
No clue.
You had to guess.
If I had to guess, probably around 650, 700. Just depending how much boost he's turned up on. How much do you think? Or is it yours? It's yours, ain't it?
Yes, man. It's on about 850.
850? How many pounds of boost?
Right now it's on about 13, 14.
13, 14?
Oh, suck your dick if you let me borrow a turbo.
So what?
700 to the wheel.
I have the same car as no turbos.
He
It's
said 850.
at 850?
He said 850. He owns it.
Run it. Run it with you.
You don't want to run this.
What do you mean you don't want to run this? Oh, wait.
Well, for one, I don't have my Mickeys on right now. For two, I'm missing fourth gear because, you know, MT82s are just great.
What transmission you got?
More power and
A lot of
lighter.
excuses, a lot of
What's your
yapping.
Type R? Yeah, shut the fuck up.
You need to go there.
680.
Okay. He's
No
smart.
wonder. Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck.
He don't have to worry about fourth gear.
Any gear.
Nah, it gets squirrely. Yeah, I gotta worry about fourth gear.
I was running a Hellcat a couple of months back, shift from third to fourth. Fourth wasn't there anymore.
I didn't put it in neutral. What's going on?
My car back
What's
into
hot
the
than yours? I heard
spot.
you come here whistling.
It's Paxton Pro Charger. Kind of hoping he eats that curb.
Passion.
Yeah.
How much you making?
So 725 on Palm, 800 on E85.
Who you tuned by?
Lund.
Okay, that's who tunes this one.
Yeah. Seems to be like most of the high horsepower builds with Coyotes are all done by Lund. I mean, there's a couple of others that'll do it, but it seems like Lund is the most popular.
They do specialize in it.
Huh?
They do specialize in
It
it.
was
Yeah.
either Lawn or Palm Beach for me.
You drove all the way to Palm Beach to get
It's
a
stock, bro. It's stock.
Yeah.
Wait, what's your tag again? Like stock rider or something?
My tag?
Yeah.
I don't run tags.
What's it gonna be?
How much was a twin
not
turbo
gonna be
set?
anything.
Because I've been looking at the on3 single turbo set. That's like,
42,400.
really?
Yeah.
Just for the turbos or everything?
That's what everything is.
Where the hell do you get it?
On 3. The one that was like
For twins?
Yeah.
When?
No way they could have gotten mine.
Bought it like about 2 years ago.
I was looking at a single, big, or real small. That's why. Or
Do what now?
I was looking at the big single turbo.
Big single. I was gonna go single, but I always wanted twins. So
Yeah, it was about $5,000 after everything.
yeah, mine was 41, 55.
You
Cheap.
stock internals?
Yeah, dude, it's Coyote.
I figured.
Stop Gen
Don't
1.
worry about the engine.
But it's a Gen 1 though.
So she still
I
goes.
done gave that bitch hell.
And it's still
How
going.
many miles you on it right now?
It's about 5. No, hold on. Don't get in the line. About 5,000 miles.
Oh, so that's a fresh build.
On the blower itself, hell, the motor has 120,000.
Look.
He's got, so his build is more fresh than mine and with less miles on the engine. So I'm at 31,000 and it's been pro charged since 17,000 miles. So it's like four. Well, I mean, it's always been babied until I ran Trey's Hellcat. And then, got a little stupid. Was having a little bit of fun, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's a good excuse to get it built MT82.
How do you do against Hellcats?
I was walking it.
I was behind him.
I ran it's a girl that has one. It's blue, and
The Charger?
yeah.
Yep. She was just here, or she's still here, I think. Yeah, over there.
No,
That one?
No, that ain't it.
Oh, that ain't it?
No, this one's on beat locks.
Oh.
My car went into limp mode right before we raced.
That sucks.
Then we ran in the road. She caught traction before I could. She beat me by
You think she's pushing 4 digits?
ain't no fucking telling. Ain't no telling. She's on IGMA
What is it?
Transformer.
Transformer, okay.
It looks just like that one over there.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's your car. Right there.
My old Subi. It's gonna be his Subi soon.
On the engine.
115,000 on that.
I tell these motherfuckers, Coyotes are like probably the most reliable engine.